Hello everyone, today is our last day here in Taiwan and ang agenda namin for today is we're going to the zoo and it's gonna be my first time to see a panda! First time ko makakita ng panda ever in my life. Dami na ako napuntahang bansa pero hindi pa rin ako nakakita ng panda. I don't know why. Ito ang itsura niya. So I'm gonna update you guys. So this one is from Miss Shai's Closet Sale. This is from a local shop here in Taiwan. Ukay. This is a online shop. Ukay. My boots are from Ukay as well. Guys, wait lang, nahiya yung panda sa akin. Sumigaw kasi ako. So, we're gonna go in. Here, giant panda house. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh, really know this.
坐下来。好，谢谢，往前移动了哈，谢谢。
Guys, ang lapit niya. Papasikat siya.
你知道它那个名字？平常是3根泡馍，1根啊，另外2根它就是咬2口。